Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application with your Marshall S1060 soundbar. It was actually very difficult for me, and if it doesn't work for you either, I will guide you through this. Open the Play Store, search for Marshall, scroll down to the Marshall application, hit install and wait a moment. Tap open, wait for the intro to finish, tap next. You can skip the newsletter and analytics. Tap adding a device and grant permission to determine the position of nearby devices. I recommend holding the source button on your speaker for 10 seconds to perform a factory reset. After the factory reset, tap adding a device, select your S260, tap add and start Wi-Fi setup. Accept the Bluetooth pairing request, then tap the checkmark icon. Select Connect to Wi-Fi and wait for available networks to appear. Select the same Wi-Fi network that your phone is connected to, enter the password, and tap Continue. You can rename your device if desired, then tap Continue. Now update the firmware by tapping Update Firmware, which should take about 10 minutes. Don't close the app or do anything while it's updating. Once the update is done, you'll see Google Cast options, but you can set those up afterwards. Everything is now set up. Goodbye.